Charlene and Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, this time making shortbread caramel chocolate bars because it's National Bake and Take Month, which is exactly what it sounds like. You bake it and then you take it to someone special.
That's right. And I love this recipe. This would be a great recipe to do with the kids. It's an easy recipe, the cookie recipe. We're just going to make a cookie dough that has 10 tablespoons of margarine in it, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, just a little bit of leavening in it. And we're going to mix that till we get a really nice dough. Put that in an 8-inch pan that you've lined with foil. And then I love to use this. You can have the kids use a spoon to push it down, but you just want to flatten it down in there. And then a fun thing they'll like to do is take a fork and then just poke it. Isn't that fun? Blake would like to do that, wouldn't he?
Probably poke it too much.
Yeah, and then bake that at 325 for about 20 minutes until it's lightly brown.
So our cookies are done.
Then you're going to lift that out just like that on your cooling rack.
Makes
and
it
take
easy for you.
That's right. And then take a knife while they're still warm and cut them into these finger cookies like what we have right here. And then we're going to take caramel, and I'll let you guys start drizzling that on there. And if you just put a little bit with your spoon and then drizzle it off the tip, like that, and kind of shake it like that.
I
like the pouring it. I don't want to drizzle it. I want to pour this stuff.
And then the next layer is our chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
And what I did with the caramels, that's 12 caramels that you can unwrap and then put with 1 tablespoon of soy milk. Put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds until you can drizzle it. Then the same way with the chocolate. It's 1/4 cup of dark chocolate and with a teaspoon of shortening. And that makes it so you can kind of drizzle it. And if you kind of just shake it, you get that effect. You get a little bit
Charlene
more.
really helped me out here. The struggle's real.
And then we have a little bit of roasted soy nuts that you can sprinkle on top. These are salted soy nuts, so they get that little bit of crunch. And then let them set up until they're nice and cool. And then you can put them into a gift bag to take to the teacher at school, or you can put them on a plate and serve them. We've done some fun things. But the whole idea is the Kansas Soybean Commission is joining the Kansas Wheat Commission to promote this great community service project where you use Kansas wheat and Kansas soy flour together.
All in one recipe.
All in one recipe.
Where can people find this recipe, Charlene?
KansasSoybeans.org, and we have lots of recipes, or they can all go visit the Kansas Wheat Commission for ideas.
Definitely. All right. Thanks so much, Charlene. We're going to dig into these. We'll be right back.
So good.
Save big during the Menard Day sale. Update your floors or walls with new tile. Pick up 3x6 ceramic tiles in white or biscuit, only 17 cents each, or add a